One of the biggest mistakes new authors make is starting with an idea they love without checking if the readers are actually searching for it. A profitable niche sits at the intersection of creative passion and market validation, and AI makes finding that intersection fast. Let's start by generating smart niche ideas. Instead of asking for book ideas, we're going to ask for niches. Here's a simple starting prompt you can adapt to any niche. The goal here isn't to pick a title, it's to spot patterns. Most profitable children niches are emotional, not clever. In the next step, we'll validate these ideas with real market data.